Yeah, right now, it just come in, right? I mashed up the show last night, right? To this morning, right? So you don't see it. You don't know we're a great fan of Arsenal, right? So you don't know we have to stop right at Arsenal football field, right? Staying them family live, Sussex staying live, right? See it there? And the whole Arsenal lot. You're hungry catch it live and watch. Stay in them TV, right?
It's Arsenal football ground.
Right like that. Arsenal football ground. Right now the place cold. Damn man, bloody hell. Yo, right now, so the place cold enough with gloves up. Yo! The place
Kyle,
cold.
me that Arsenal
Right
video,
now.
Alex.
See that? You know so we're not normal, you know it's a big head. Right now, you know the thing's staying up. See that?
Alex, that Arsenal.
Right now. Right now, the whole world. The whole world I see it, though. Stay in them TV, live, right. Arsenal football field. Nothing normal, catch it. You know them to know. We're swagging it. I'm not bragging it, right? Swagging it. Right now.
Come about.
Right now, right? You're gonna catch it live on what? Stay in them TV. Remember, I'm out. Right? Hit that thing.
You get Arsenal football ground.
Hey, the place, mad.
Arsenal.
The great baller. Right now. See that? Great baller. And yes, all of the football show don't go on. Right, that's all. Right, that's all. See the stairs there? But right now, kind of lock off right now, right? We don't have much time. I would have walked around and go upstairs. But we will do it the next day, right? So you don't know Sussex staying there alive, right? In what? London, right? UK, London, straight. Just come out to what tapping a man, come back to Hackney and all these places.
Holloway.
But you don't know where they are whisper one alleyway or wait one name, so you don't know.
Arsenal Stadium.
See that? Are we that buckle? Yo, woo. Yo.
Base box office, we miss a match day. Quick after this, then we go home.
See that? Come in, come to go on. There's so much there now. You see me? Crazy. I just see a purchase a ticket them on all these things. Right? Match day style. Right? Place lock off and then thing there. Right? Stairs there. Go. Chris. Walk on. How's that? But I'm watching. Yeah. In the morning, alright? We could have go upstairs, but can't bother to go up there right now. Cause you don't see it. We just mashed up last night's show, you see me? Andrew Fresh, you see me? Straight, UK, London, right? Club the Boss, right? You know, look at 6 Shelly, you know. I want to tell you about it, you know. You fuck, you mash it up. Liquid, bumbuckler. Are you ever girl a stick with? The thing not normal. Right now, I call you. Hey, yo, video, cut, no, cut. Me a cut. The place cold, me a cut. No, cut.